There are plenty of opportunities for excuses. We got height issues. We could have like ambulatory issues, kids who are wheelchair bound. But with equity, because we've deemed them essential, those excuses become context. And this is the rub of our work. You're always going to have excuses. You can make excuses for any group of kids or adults you see. But with equity, there are no excuses. The challenges and adversity kids come to the table with: I'm wheelchair bound, I'm physically shorter than the fence to watch the game. Those issues become context and not excuses. This is not an emotional thing. This is a human nature thing.